Come with me on a tour of Icon at Southgate City by Ledingham McAllister in South Burnaby. Icon is the third high-rise in the 60-acre masterplanned community that is now available for purchase. Construction is already underway, and we have the opportunity to check out the progress of this project and the stunning views of Metro Vancouver from the 25th floor. So I am up on the 25th floor at Icon at Southgate City. Check out this amazing view. At completion, Icon will stand tall at 46 stories. Thank you so much, Ledingham McAllister and Sutton Group, for the private tour Icon, and we can't wait to sell these luxury homes that are set to complete in 2025. Contact me, Gina Chong, at 604-339-8332 for more information on this exciting new project in Burnaby.